Don't just pinch ordinary dumplings anymore. 8 fancy bagways. No exposed, no broken skin. Everyone compliments the table. Hello, I'm Leal's mother. Good dumplings. It is a traditional Chinese food passed down from generation to generation, but many young people are always unable to pinch the skin. As soon as it cooks, it leaks vegetables. The ordinary package method still looks monotonous. Share 8 kinds at once today. Simple and beautiful fancy dumpling wrapping method. Get started with 0 difficulty. I made it this morning with chives and meat with fresh eyebrows. Fragrant and juicy without water. And we went straight to teaching. The first cabbage dumplings. Take a dumpling skin and put it in the palm of your hand. Put some mince in the middle. First fold the dumpling skin gently in half. The tiger mouth of the hands clamps the left and right sides of the dough respectively. Synchronously squeeze hard to the middle and close. It can be formed with a light pinch. The folds fold naturally. It looks like a cabbage. Time-saving and labor-saving operation. I'm in a hurry to cook after get off work. This is the most suitable choice. Beginners with 0 basics can also get started in 1 second. The second ingot dumplings. Put the filling in the middle of the dumpling skin. Fold the dough in half first. Pinch the seal a little bit from the middle to both sides. Fold the left and right sharp corners of the dumplings inward. Overlap, press firmly. The round and plump ingot shape is ready. This Chinese New Year bag is very auspicious. It symbolizes attracting wealth and treasure. The appearance of the table is super high. Family dinner hospitality is very face-saving. Third basic lace dumplings. Line the middle of the dough. After folding in half, pinch the middle position firmly. Pinch a small fold on the edge of the dough with your right hand, compact inward. Push forward and fold along the dough in turn. One fold, one fold. Pinch the whole edge evenly. Press the edge lock a few times at the end. The whole lace is neat and even. Much more delicate than bare straight-edge dumplings. It is very suitable for daily home-cooked meals with relatives and friends. Fourth handbag dumplings. Put the dumpling skin on the line. Fold it in half and pinch it tightly. Fix the filling in the middle. Leave space at the left and right ends of the material. Pinch a small fold inward on one side of the dough. Formula. Symmetrically pinch the same fold on the other side. And then you pinch all the remaining edges together. Smooth sorting. The overall shape is small and exquisite. Like a delicate lady. Handbag. Small. 1 bite at a time. The elderly and children eat just right. The fifth triangular dumpling. What about the middle of the dumpling skin? Put the mince. No need to fold it in half. First pinch a third of the dough inward and fix it. Make the first sharp corner. Pinch out the second and third corners and turn along the far circumference. The 3 corners are evenly spaced and symmetrical. Repeatedly pinch and reinforce each sharp edge. The overall shape is like an old-fashioned sugar triangle. Unique shape without collision. Whether it's steamed dumplings or boiled dumplings, not easy to break the skin. The 6th shell dumpling. Put away the dough. Align the filling and pinch the middle part tightly. First pinch 2 fine folds on the edge of the egg side to compact. Turn the dumplings around. Also pinch 2 symmetrical folds on the other side. Gently press all the overall edges tightly with both hands. Finished skeleton rounded. The lines are the same as those of seaside shells. The shape is exquisite and full. After cooking, the lines are clear and will not collapse. Take pictures and send moments special films. The seventh kind of four-corner lace dumplings. Pave the dumpling skin. Fold the meat filling in half in the middle, pinch it tightly and fix it. Divide the dough evenly with your fingers and push out 4 independent sharp corners. Squeeze hard at every corner to prevent it from spreading out when cooking. Along the edge of the 4 sharp corners, launch wavy lace separately. I really want to know where you are from in front of the screen. Welcome to leave a message and share in the comment area. To meet friends from all over the world again. It's an amazing thing. If my sharing is helpful to you, click the subscribe button. There will be more practical tips waiting for you to unlock in the future. 4 corners with pattern, rich layers. This hospitality bag is full for holidays and festivals. Full of ritual. Delicious chive stuffing. Match with a good-looking look. Taste and appearance are both online. The 8th kind of wheat ear dumplings. Put enough meat filling in the dumpling skin. First pinch the top of the dough into 2 corners. Pinch the 2 corners together and fix them. Pinch the edge of the dough and gently push it inward. Push it and press it. Step by step towards the tail. When you reach the end of the dumplings, tighten all dough seals. The whole pattern is stacked layer by layer, like ears of wheat. This one is more suitable for steaming in a pot. The fresh chive juice is firmly locked inside, not easy to break the skin. It is the signature dumpling of Shaxian snacks. Style. 8 good-looking and practical dumpling wrapping methods, all taught. Suitable for fragrant and juicy fillings. Each lock juice is firm. Not easy to break the skin. Moral shape has its own characteristics. Which one do you like best? Friends who are still worried that they can't make dumplings, remember to like and collect this video. Practice slowly in your spare time. Share home-cooked food tips every day. That's it for today. See you next time.
왜?